How to fix Discord not opening on PC. I am going to show you how you can easily fix the Discord not opening on PC error. So first of all, hold the Windows key and press R. Inside this new window, now we'll go ahead and type in app data % and hit enter. Then you will see this pop up over here. Then we'll go ahead and scroll down to find Discord. So we will select Discord. We will press delete. We will wait for it to find all of the files. It will vanish as such. After that, open the command prompt. Here we can enter tasks kill. One word, space, / capital F, space, / and every distance of Discord will be closed instantly. Then we will close that off command prompt and click the time in the bottom right of our screen, date and time settings. Then we will make sure to check the set time automatically. If it is already checked, simply uncheck it and check it again just to make sure that the time is fully updated and set correctly. Next, open Task Manager and close all the background apps to make sure Discord is turned off. Then we can close out of the settings window. Then we'll head to the web browser and search for Download Discord. Here, click on Download for Windows to get it. This will fix the error you are facing. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.